Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Art Whisper 88. I'm going to show how I clean my jelly plate. This is just regular baby oil which I got from the discount store, and what I do occasionally, I don't do this all the time, but when the plate gets saturated with stains and stubborn bits of acrylic paint, it's good to condition your plate with some oil. You can use mineral oil, citrus oil, but I figure, baby oil is safe for children, and it would be the least toxic of all the kinds of oils that you can use. And as you can see, the stain is coming off. This is the remnants of magic markers like Sharpies and permanent markers, the acrylic markers. And also by doing this, you kind of rejuvenate the plate itself, because the jelly plate contains oil in its makeup. So it's not a bad idea to do this ever so often if you use your plate a lot. See how much has come off. And it really doesn't show. Even if you look very carefully, you wouldn't notice any blemishes or stains. But once you apply this oil, you'll see how much gunk comes off. And it prepares your plate for the next printing session. Even the printing bed benefits from a little bit of oil. Not too much, but it does get rid of the sticky residue. Because sometimes the wet rag doesn't cut it. You need something a little stronger. Now I would hesitate to use solvents of any kind, because I have too much of an investment in this plate to try something that might harm it. So anyway, that's my demonstration to clean your plate. And another fringe benefit is it's actually good for your hands. It moisturizes your hands as well as cleaning the plate. Okay. There we go. As good as new. So this will get absorbed into the plate after a few minutes, and then I can wipe it dry with a clean, dry cloth and get ready for the next printing session.